Okay, this is part 2 of the video that I had previously posted about my 2000 Ford F-150 with the broken water pipe. And I was going to post a video of the actual piece I made last night, but it was kind of late. I just wanted to get it put back together, but I can show it to you here. Basically, again, the problem with these things is on the back side of the water pump under the alternator here, there's a metal water pipe that runs under the intake all the way to the back and up the firewall. The problem is that it rusts out under there, creating a pinhole leak, which will normally leak out the back side of the motor on the passenger side. They also can leak in the front, because on on some of these motors, this particular one's a 5.4, on the 6 and the 4.6, some of them use a clamp kind of like this. This one had the two O-rings on the nipple, so I was able to pull it off. I had to cut the water pipe first, the metal part. Don't cut it close to the nipple, you got to cut it back a little bit, move it up out of the way, pull the rest off of the nipple. And then what I've done here is, can't really see it down in there, but off the end of the nipple, I put a short piece of hose. There's two clamps that hold it onto the nipple, which comes off this back side of the water pump, and then a 90 down there that comes, and then that's what this hose is attached to. Comes up through here, another 90, goes back to the water pipe that goes into the heater core, thereby bypassing that metal hose or pipe, and it's fixed. And all you have to do to take this out, or what you have to remove to get to that little dealio down there where it breaks, is had to take the upper air box off. I actually left that part on. Take the alternator out and the upper radiator hose. And that's it. So it's a relatively simple repair. In fact, right back here is the old hose that goes down to the metal pipe. Again, this isn't doing anything now. So basically, you make a 90 down here off of the nipple. The hose comes up, another 90, and back into the original deal. So you need two plastic elbows. I used another and a straight in the back, a connector, all 5/8 hose. I actually got way too much, but you only need probably about 3 feet, 2 feet of the 5/8 heater hose, and I used I think 6 clamps, and that's it. And it runs perfect now, doesn't leak, and just there you go. So done deal. Thanks guys, and we'll let you know how it works out.